Welcome to the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO tutorial video. This video introduces the storage management feature of the device, including viewing storage types, switching storage types, testing connection, and testing mounts. Insert the licensed dongle and power on the system. In the address bar of a web browser, enter 192.168.1.1:30888 to access the home screen of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO. Click Storage Management to view the current storage type. By default, the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO uses internal storage. Click Edit to modify the storage type. The internal storage is suitable for low-volume data or offline operations. The DJI FlightHub 2 AIO includes a 6 TB SSD, consisting of a 2 TB system disk and a RAID 1 array with two 2 TB disks, providing secure and reliable storage. The external storage is suitable for high-volume data or collaborative environment. This feature allows you to mount network-attached storage or an IPSAN. Verify that any external storage device meets all system requirements before connecting. Click Switch. Select External Storage. Select an external storage protocol. Enter the IP address of the server and sharing directory, and select a mount cache strategy. Click Test Connection. The DJI FlightHub 2 AIO attempts to connect to the external storage. Once the connection is successful, click Mount Now, Confirm. Enter the administrator password 3 times and click Switch Storage. Wait for the process to complete. No user intervention is required. The DJI FlightHub 2 AIO automatically applies the configuration. After 10 minutes, refresh the screen of DJI FlightHub 2 AIO to view the external storage details. Click to redirect to the DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises version and reactivate the DJI FlightHub 2. Thank you for watching.